Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. It's Monday, bloody Monday. Nobody likes a Monday unless you're a weirdo. And I'm not a weirdo, so I don't like Mondays. Well, I am a weirdo, but I don't like Mondays. Anyway, today we are reacting to Demolition Derby. This video was recommended by Titus as the Roman. He said you would probably like a good Demolition Derby, a similar infield with no ramps, filled with all kinds of old cars, no trucks. Those old land yachts from the 60s and 70s are favored. At the sound of the starter gun, they all start bashing each other. Last vehicle moving wins. Now that, ladies and gentlemen, sounds like my cup of tea. The only problem with this is there's no bloody pickup trucks, which is my dream car. But we're going to get into it anyway. But before we get into the Demolition Derby, if you're feeling extra frisky and you are liking these videos, please make sure you give the video a subscribe. You are helping me out, you are helping the channel out, and every new subscription, an angel gets its wings. You wouldn't want to hurt the angels, would you? I'm just joking, of course. But if you do fancy giving the video a subscribe, or the channel a subscribe, that would be helping me out massively. We're going to start doing motorsport videos every Monday. Motorsport Monday rolls off the tongue kind of nicely, and I figured why not? I'm getting lots of recommendations for motorsports, so Monday is the day devoted to motorsports. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into Demo Derby full-size hard hits of 2021. And the only reason we're going with 2021's video is because these videos are like 35 to 40 minutes long, the ones I'm finding, and my camera over there only records 30 minutes at a time. Good old Canon. I've got to buy a separate bloody this thing, that thing, doodah that plugs into the bottom so I can record constantly, and I don't want to have to. I don't want to forget that the camera's not recording and then mess up the video. So I'm only doing shorter ones for now until my part arrives, and then I'll start doing some longer reactions. But anyway, let's get into it. Those things sound insane to just smash up. Oh, you're with. He's got one of his wheels is flat. It's like one of those robotic vacuum cleaners spinning on the floor, and he's still going. Oh, that was an anticlimax. Oh, see you later, buddy. This looks insane. It looks awesome. I would do this. I would 100% do this. It's like driving in London. Oh! I said it in the last video I recorded, which was the swamp buggies. If you're interested in checking that, swamp buggy racing, I'll stick the video up. I think it's this corner, or it might be this corner. It's somewhere up there. But yeah, I said that in that video. God bless America. You guys are awesome. You're like, on that video, you're like, oh, we don't have a racetrack. It's too wet. Yeah, do it in a swamp. This one, what are we going to do with all these cars? I know, buddy. Let's smash them up. Make a sport out of it. He missed. Well, he clipped it, but he didn't hit it as full on. Look at this. How are they still going? Oh, you screwed, mate. Get out the way, you idiot! What's he doing? That guy's... These guys standing on the walls have got like massive balls. This is awesome. I love this. The mud. The smell of burning vehicles. The sound of crunching metal. They've turned a full-size car into like compacts. Look. Oh, fire. Oh, I would love to do this. I would 100% do this. He threw some. Get out of here. Like that's gonna worry the car next to him. You scratched the paintwork. Why would you throw that? Oh. Oh man, I don't get how they're still running some of them. Look at that thing. Not very aerodynamic, is it? Like a bloody Lego block. Oh. Oh. This is amazing. Draw some big crowds. Oh. You done f***ed up that one. Oh yeah, just a few sparks, mate. Don't worry, a little bit of T-cut, you'll get that right out. I'd love to take one of these things to like a panel beater and be like, hey, listen, mate, could you sort this out by Monday? Look at them. They are flipping destroyed. Oh, take that. Oh, that was like a tin can when you crush it. Oh, did you see the guy? Watch the guy in the driver's seat of the front car. Jesus! He moved from the front seat to the back seat. Yes, purring like a kitten. Oh shit. They sound awesome. I'd love to know, do they take, anybody who watches this, do they take those engines out and put them into different bodies, or is everything just scrapped afterwards? Okay, obviously it depends on the damage. I'm not that stupid, but if the engine's still running, do they like repair that and stick it into not a new body, obviously, because if these are brand new, you know what I mean, into a functioning body that's ready for the next race? Do they do that? Oh, I was going to say you missed, but he didn't. You wouldn't want one of these guys to get pissed off at you on the freeway or something. Oh yeah? You know what I do for a living, buddy? I gotta get some whiplash or at least a headache after this. Jesus. Oh, he's stuck on someone else's tire, mate. What happened? Oh, look at that mud. Oh. I thought I was gonna flip. Get off me! You're scratching my car! Oh, sandwich between two. We've all seen those movies, boys and girls. If a car flips like that, are they still allowed to ram him? Ram. You know what I mean. Are they still allowed to hit him? Because it would seem a bit unfair. I mean, he can't exactly get out the way. Yellow cab. Call that number. Imagine that thing turns up as your Uber. Oh, he is flattened. What the heck? I'd have a stink bombs and stuff and throw them into the other cars as well. Really put the other drivers off. Ooh. He's got no back left. Oh, come on, head on there. How are they still going? Like the bonnet's folded up, 90-degree angle, he's still driving. Can't see shit, Well, you can hear stuff. He's spinning, mate. Oh. Again, sandwiched. States are there. He means business. That reminds me of the car from Greece. That's showing my age. That was my childhood favorite movie, Grease. A musical movie. Can you believe it? Well, we're only halfway through. Those guys standing on the wall are crazy. Okay, I know they're not flying at extreme speeds, but you can get hit in the head with a wheel or... Oh, that was a gangbang. I turn up in an old Mini Cooper.
Come on, boys.
Oh. I mean, those engines, look at that. That thing had flames coming out. It ain't got to cost a fair few quid, man. Dollars. Not quid. You know what I mean. This guy's just trying to go home. I'm done, boys. I'm done. No, you're not. You're done when we say you're done. He could have got out and walked there quicker. Oh, fireman got a bit of a... shat himself a bit there. Head on. Get some help from behind. That's like a hearse. In the background, little bouncy castle for the kids in there. It's family fun. Watch these guys wreck each other. So the aim of the game is to destroy the other cars. But what happens when they stop? Like, do they move them off, or do they just keep pasting them? Oh no, there you go, there's my answer, they're all there. Look at all those cars, it's like a bloody scrapyard. Oh. Flippin' heck. It's carnage. It's absolute carnage. You just can't, there's no other way to describe it. Get out of here. You're done. Wasted. I think that car name suits it very well. Flippin' heck, the way they whip back, they've got to hurt themselves. I would love to do this. We had a thing at school once called Smash a Car when one of the kids' dads owned a scrapyard and he brought this old scrap car in and it had the windscreen and that, obviously, and you could pay, I think it was R2 back then, or maybe less, and you could get the sledgehammer and have a turn whacking this car. And I made sure I was first in line because I wanted the windows, the windscreen, the wing mirrors, anything glass that I could shatter. So I think I'd love to do this. A little bit of rage out. Road rage. Oh, wanker! I mean, the collisions aren't that bad, but the cars get wrecked. It's just over and over. Well, that one was pretty quick. This is a long video of just pure wreckage. He's got the cherry lights on the top. How long? No, still got time. Still got time. Oh, that must be when they start. Jesus. That guy pissed him off beforehand. He's like, I'm gunning for you, bud. I'd imagine in the car stops, you've got to get out of it, surely. You can't just sit there till the race is over. Like a sitting duck sort of thing. I'm trying to see. I can't. Yeah, that guy's sitting in it. Oh. Oh. There you go. Get back there. Flipping heck, those concrete things move, so it just shows you there's power in those old beaters. Oh, you're on your back, mate. That's it. Game over. 76-1, I think. He was the last one standing. Only barely. Alright. Awesome stuff. I mean, I think I would struggle to watch like a full 30 minutes of that on YouTube. You have to be there live. You have to be there live, I think, because it is awesome, but you just get a bit like, you got to be there, I think, to smell the bloody diesel or petrol or whatever it is that they're burning in those old beaters up. You got to smell them, like the crunching and the steel, and you know what I mean. You got to be there. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video, which is one more for today. Anyway, have a great day, guys. Peace.